This started as nothing. Let's build it from scratch.
First, we mark the foundation.
Every build starts flat. Materials arrive by the truckload. Foundation poured brick by brick. Locked in. Rock solid.
The real work begins now.
Corner by corner, it grows.
Walls climbing fast now.
Already twice his size.
Precision. Every single piece.
Scaffolding keeps the crew high. A floor plan emerges. Timber accents add character. Second floor, going vertical. First window. First light. The shell stands tall.
Every window tells a story.
The front door, finally. A welcoming porch takes form. Chimney rising, brick by brick.
Flooring goes in unseen.
A home within a home.
Now the roof begins. Tile by tile, it seals.
Weatherproof. Nearly finished.
Boundaries neat and tidy.
Green touches bring it alive.
A path to walk home on. Light for the evening.
Every detail, intentional. The final small touch.